First thing I want to cover is how to lay out the handle material against the blade blank. Most of your finished blade blanks come with the Tang roughed up. If not, it needs to be roughed up for the glue. What I do is I've marked this off side A, side B. I start with side B even though I'm marking it for side A. Here's a close-up of what I had just done. You can see that the edge of the handle material is nowhere near the drawing that I had produced on there from the blade blank. That's exactly how it's going to go together. Okay, here we've got the knife. It's all glued up. It's been at least 24 hours to allow that glue to set up nice and hard. And then for the interior curves, all this is a 1/4 inch piece of round bar stock covered with a piece of air hose. This works very good for doing the interior curves because it's rigid enough where you can get a good amount of pressure on it, yet it's forgiving enough to not cut into the corners too badly. When it comes to contouring the handles, patience is a virtue. It does take quite a bit of time between filing and sanding and eventually getting it to a nice radiused curve like this compared to the square piece of material that you started with.